In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Zoom app on Windows in just 5 minutes. Let's dive into a step-by-step walkthrough that will have you ready to join your next video meeting in no time at all. First, you'll want to begin by visiting the official Zoom Download Center. To do this, open your preferred web browser and enter the URL zoom.us/download. This is the most reliable source to obtain the latest version of the Zoom app, ensuring that your download is both safe and up to date. Once you arrive at the Zoom Download Center, you'll immediately notice the download button prominently displayed in the center of the page. Clicking this button will nudge your download into motion, starting the retrieval of the installer file to your computer. Now, keep an eye on your Downloads folder or the bottom of your browser window, because once the installer file, typically named something like zoominstaller.exe, has finished downloading, you're ready to proceed. Click on the installer file to open it, and this will launch the installation process for the Zoom app. Now you'll see a set of on-screen instructions that will guide you through the installation. It's generally a straightforward process, so just follow the prompts. Typically, you will click Next a few times, perhaps agreeing to the terms of the service, and the installation will shortly run its course. It's worth mentioning that this shouldn't take too long, often just a matter of moments before the app is ready to use. With the installation complete, the final step involves signing into the Zoom app. If you already have an account, this is simply a case of entering your credentials and hitting the sign in button. But if you're new to Zoom, no worries. Just look for the option to create a new account instead, and it will only take you a few minutes to set up, with a basic requirement of your email and some personal details. And there you have it, a fully installed and ready-to-use Zoom app on your Windows PC. If you follow these steps, you're now equipped to attend meetings, host calls, and collaborate with others from the comfort and convenience of your own device. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. Remember, having the right tools and software can make a world of difference, whether you're working remotely or simply staying connected with friends and family. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.